هنبدأ بجرافينج for the lesson 6.5. أول part to draw the line we convert the inequality as the equation. We should convert the inequality as the equation at the first. Draw the equations and after that make the shaded part. Okay, so I will start with the first one, y greater than or equals to 0. So y it's greater than or equals to 0, it is horizontal or vertical line? Horizontal. So put point on the x and make horizontal line. Draw like this one. On the final, inshallah, we should write it. And this line represent for y greater than or equals to 0. لو ما كتبتوش إن دي هي اللاين أنا I don't know. Okay, we should write all information about each line. So y greater than or equals 0. At the first, draw the line and after that, make that shaded part. So another inequality. Y greater than or equals to 0. So this will be vertical line. Vertical line. And write it x greater than or equals to 0. Y greater than or equals to 4. It's represent for the vertical or horizontal line? Horizontal line. Horizontal line. At the horizontal line. So at the point 4 on y-axis, at the point 4 in y-axis, make a line horizontal. You can draw the graph only the first quadrant. Okay, so write as y less than or equals to 4. Okay, next one, x less than 6. So it's vertical or horizontal line. At the point 6, we draw the line. It is vertical line. So x is represent for the vertical line. You can draw this one only in the first quadrant. Yeah, draw the first quadrant only. On the final, inshallah, I will give you only x and y in the first quadrant. Okay, عشان تكون أوضح بالنسبة لكم وانتوا بتعملوا الجراف. So it will be x less than or equals to 6. The last one, y plus x less than or equals to 9. You convert as the equations y plus x equals to 9. To draw any line with the slope, we should find the 2 point. Any line, we should draw with the 2 point. So total x equals to 0. We should write it, okay? Total x equals to 0. And find the order pair included 0 and something. We should find it here. Total y equals to 0. Total y equals to 0. And we should find the another order pair included 0 and y. Okay, so total x equals to 0. So y equals to 9. Total x is 0, so y equals to 9. So 0 and 9. Total y equals to 0, so 0 plus x equals to 9. Also, so here x it will be 9. We should draw the line. This line with the slope. So the line as the slope, okay? So at the point 0 and 9, this point, and another point in here 0 and 9. Any problem? And after that, we should draw the line. Should draw the straight line, صح؟ طبعا الجراف عندكم هيكون أوضح من عندي كتير. Race. Read the inequality. To make it shaded part, read the inequality. So y, start with y, صح? y less than 9. y less than 9. So upwards the line ولا downwards the line? خلينا نبدأ باللاين الستريت الأول. خلوا الواي plus x آخر حاجة. ابدأوا عادي من the simplest inequality. Okay, so y greater than 0. Where is y greater than 0? This is 1. صح? So draw y greater than 0. Y greater than 0, so upwards the line. صح? Y greater than. Up or down the line? Read the inequality, y greater than 0. So this lines y greater than 0. We should draw the shaded part. اتفقنا ان احنا هنوقف لاول لاين هيقابلني، صح؟ علشان تقدروا تعرفوا الشادد اريا. اوكي؟ طيب. Another one, x greater than 0. So right or left hand side? Right. So make a line. لحد ما يقابلني line يا بنات. So this is the shaded part for x greater than 0. Y less than 4. Y less than 4. Where is line y less than 4? This line? Yes. If we have less than. Yes, yes. In negative, لو في negative number on another side. So y less than 0, upwards the line or downwards the line? نعم. بس لازم نشوف الشدد بارت كده عشان اعرف ان هي inequality. Y less than 0, so we should draw the line until this line يا بنات. شفتوا اول ما بيقابلني line stop ما بكملش. Okay, the last one, x less than 6, x less than 6, this part. 6 less than 6. So start with this line and make a draw for this. هسأل والله كان approve ان انتوا يكون في color في الامتحان. هسأل. Okay. 6. Another, the last one, it will be y plus x less than. So y plus x less than, so downwards the line. This line, ما تنسوش نكتب y plus x less than or equals to 9. So downwards the line. So downwards inside this part, so only this part included for this line. Okay, so this represents for the shaded part. What is the solution here? What is the solution? Maybe 5 point, maybe 4, I don't know. Okay, so this is the shaded area. Yes. So what is the intersect point? What is the point intersect? This point, it is very important, and this point, it is very important. This point important, and this point is very important, and this point is important. Okay, so the shaded parts area. Yes, can draw like this one. Yes. Okay. Any problem, Ivana? Any problem? Okay. After that, we should write it the point. أنا كتبت لك البوينت علشان ما تنسوش. As the order pair. Okay. So what is the point? What is the intersect point in here? Yes. What is the point? 0, 0. What else? 0, 4. And this point is represent والله العظيم 6 0 مش 0 6. 6 0, not 0 6. 6 in x-axis and 0 in y. This point is represent for what? 6 3. This point is represent for 6 and 3. And what's about this point? It's represent 5 4. So 5 and 4. لا. Okay, you can write 5 4 6 3. Okay, but the important points is 5 important points. Okay, so make substitute for this function. So 0 and 0. So 3 multiplied by 0 0 plus 3 multiplied by 0 0. So the answer it will be 0. 0 multiplied 0 multiplied by 3 it will be 0 plus 3 multiplied by 4 it will be 12. أنا بعمل substitute في objective function. So the answer it will be 12. 6 multiplied by 3 it will be 18 plus 3 multiplied by 0 it will be 0. So the answer it will be 18. 6 multiplied by 3 it will be 18 plus 3 multiplied by 3 it will be 9. So the answer it will be 27. Okay, 5 multiplied by 3 it will be 15. 4 multiplied by 3 it will be 12. So the correct answer it will be 27. أنا كده ما خلصتش الأنسر. Okay, we should determine what is. لو كتبت كده وما كتبتليش الماكسيمم والمينيمم هتنقص لي على إيه؟ ما أعرفش. لو سمحتوا ركزوا. ممكن أنا you can write it، أنا أكتب لكم عشان ما تنسوش، يعني إن السنة اللي فاتت نسيوا فعلا إن هم يطلعوا الماكسيمم والبوينت. أنا هكتب لك في الإكزام إن شاء الله maximum equal at point what؟ ما ننساش. اوكي، يبقى حرام ان انت تكوني مذاكره السؤال ونسيه على بارت مره سهل. اوكي، minimum equal at point. اوكي، as the complete عشان ما تنسوش. So الماكسيمم 27 at the point what and what 63 and 54. طبعا انا مش هحط لك غير only one عشان افكرك، بس if we have the 2 point we should write at the point 54 and مش هكتب لك طبعا and ايه عشان ما يبانش مين هو الماكسيمم and point 63. This represent for the maximum. Okay, المينيمم the last value it will be the value it will be 0 at the point 0 and 0. Okay, I will complete to make a revision about the important statement about the lesson 6.4. Okay, there are another statement important in 6.4 as the complete. Okay, so this is the first part for the lesson 6.4. Another one complete about the lesson 6.4. الليسن اللي هتبدأوا بيه هو 6.5 not 6.4. the first 6.5 لا 6.5 هو الجرافينج. اوكي، هو الجراف. the next part for 6.5 هو important statement about the linear program. اتفقنا ان read يا يارا. linear program. اوكي، any problem؟ الاوبريشن او البروسيس اللي بتعمل لي الماكسيمم والمينيمم هي مين؟ حاجه اسمها linear program. اوكي، the second one الفانكشن اللي is very important اللي احنا بعد ما بنجيب الفيرتكس بوينت نعمل بيها substitute اسمها الاوبجكتيف فانكشن. yes the second one انهي ريجن اللي موجوده اللي انا بتكلم عليها في الستيتمنت اللي انتوا عملت لها شهاده بارت في الجراف. اوكي، عشان تكونوا متخيلين شكل الجراف الستيتمنت اللي انتوا بتذاكروها. for visible region، ويا ريت تكتبوا في الاكزام بعد ما تعملوا بارت ان هي دوت الريجن اللي انا محتاجه اطلعه. اوكي، the last part the point that intersect for the region it is called vertex. يبقى مين البوينت اللي انا محتاجاها؟ الانترسكت بتاعي اسمهم مين؟ vertex. So the fourth statement it is very important on the final إن شاء الله about the lesson 6.5. yes يكون أفضل. okay yes yes جوه البوكس. okay any problem؟ okay so this is the lesson 6.5. I will close the record and I will start the new idea. طبعا البارت دوت اللي في الكويز بتاعكم this is the statement like the exercise number 3 you can do it now, exercise number 3, exercise number 4, exercise number 5 as the 3 important statement from the less than 6.5. Okay, we should remember the for statement. Okay, I will change on the final inshallah.